In this video, I will show you how to make my YouTube channel private. So once you are on youtube.com, what you want to do is click on your logo here. From there, go down to the bottom left and click on the Settings tab. From here, you want to go to your channel and then Advanced Settings. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom here, there's going to be a Remove YouTube Content section. So what you want to do is click on this, and upon doing so, you're simply just going to need to log in just to make sure that you're logged into your account and you can move forward with the actions. So I just have my email there, so I'm going to be covering that up. But there's going to be two options here. One is for hiding your channel, and one's for permanently deleting your content. We obviously want to go with hiding the channel. So I'm going to read this through you so you can kind of get an idea of how this works. It says this will make your YouTube content and activity private. Select all of the following to confirm that you understand. So you're going to have to go through and actually check off all these. So the following will be made private until you re-enable your channel. So it's going to have your channel name, your videos, your public playlist, your likes, your subscriptions to other channels, and subscribers to your channel. Also, the following will be permanently deleted, which are your comments and your replies. And of course, your data on other Google properties will not be removed.